we're going to talk about how to 10x the results of using castor oil, not just on your face, but in many other applications. It's been around for at least 4,000 years. It was found in some of these ancient Egyptian tombs and has been used in Chinese medicine, Indian medicine for thousands of years. Yet in an unaltered state, it's actually a pretty deadly poison. In the process of making the oil, certain things are taken out to make it one of the most healing things that you can put on your body. Let's first talk about the type of castor oil that you get. If you're just getting some commercial castor oil that's not organic, it's not cold pressed, then you might be getting a chemical in there called hexane, which is in petroleum. You want it hexane-free, cold pressed, organic in a darker bottle, because you don't want something that's rancid or too refined as an oil to put on your skin. It's one of the thickest oils, but it has something in it that is so rare, it's not in any other plants. It's a certain natural chemical called ricinoleic acid, which has the ability to get rid of a spot on your face. It gets rid of wrinkles. It is super hydrating. Castor oil has the ability to penetrate all 3 layers of your skin, and in some cases even dissolve certain types of lumps on your body. Probably one of the biggest mistakes that people make, they're not using it consistently enough. They try it once and they expect these miracles to happen. Be consistent, use it longer. You have to do this 3 times a week for at least 30 days to 6 weeks in some cases to start seeing change. So you want to use just a little bit and really rub it into the different parts of your face. And you're going to find that it actually helps to hydrate your face. One of the biggest benefits of using castor oil on your eyelashes or even eyebrows, it tends to increase the growth and the thickening of your eyelashes and even your eyebrows. Works on skin tags, warts. For those things, I would also add iodine and garlic. Iodine helps to reduce estrogen. Some people even use it on the eye itself for dry eyes. Another thing that castor oil can do, which is pretty significant, is increase the strength of your immune system. Within 2 hours, let's say you have tartar. Castor oil has the ability to help dissolve tartar. Let's say you have a problem with a liver issue, or maybe even like a really bad arthritis somewhere in your body. This is why they use castor oil packs to put it on different areas of your body, even putting it on the liver to help liver congestion and increase bile flow. You can buy them on Amazon or online, which are certain types of cloth or cotton that you soak in castor oil, and then you apply it over your body like a bandage over a period of time. Because castor oil penetrates through the skin deeply, you can use these packs over your ovaries if you have a cyst, for example, or even on the breast. You want to make sure you take sea kelp because of the iodine. Iodine helps to reduce estrogen, and usually fibrocystic breast problems come from too much estrogen. You can actually add something called DMSO. It goes right into the skin. It's a highly penetrating substance. And also magnesium oil is very important to add if you have any type of arthritis in your lower back, or maybe you can rub it into the knees or even your feet, or even arthritis on your hands. Even the muscles on your shoulders, the traps. So that way, when you go to sleep at night, you're very, very relaxed and you're ready to go right into the deep sleep. Another little hack I would recommend for your skin, if you really want to take your skin to the next level, dip your face in an ice bath, then you add the castor oil. The combination is going to create a really amazing effect with your skin. We could also add a couple more things to this. You can start going on a fast, like a 48-hour fast or even a 72-hour fast, where your body is going to start cleaning up all the dead stuff and the dead cells and replace it with new cells. Adding that additional step would just take your skin to the next level. It's kind of a multi-layer effect of all these great things for your skin. And of course, this also is dependent on what you eat. Another really important application is on any scars, stretch marks, or even scars from injury. You can use those and rub it into the skin and see huge benefits from that. Castor oil also activates hair growth, so you can rub it into your scalp and to help your hair grow. And it's also good for dandruff and dry scalp because of the antimicrobial effect. If you're going to use it for the scalp to help with your hair, I would highly recommend you use the Jamaican black castor oil. Also, let's say you have a lot of inflammation in your body, and castor oil is a very potent anti-inflammatory, and you want to create a systemic effect through the entire body. You can rub it into your feet. It gets absorbed into the feet, and it gets absorbed into the blood throughout the entire body. Of course, if you have arthritis on your knees or your fingers, you can rub it into the hands or your knees, or even your lower back if you have pain in the lower back. And this last one is important. If you're pregnant, realize that when you take castor oil, it can create early contractions. So you don't want to be doing that unless it's time for delivery. And then on that note, if you haven't seen my part 1 castor oil video. I'm going to put that up right here. Check it out.